Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to add the file selection component to your form. So it is basically like this, allows you to browse and select a file for uploading. So this isn't a video on how to upload a file. That is something that you would want to link with JavaScript and link with backend technology like PHP or Python to upload the file, store it on a database, or store it somewhere else potentially. This is just the front end. You can couple it with that technology, and there's a lot of other videos out there. Feel free to ask me if you want any advice on that, but again, this is just front end. It's really simple to implement one of those forms. So I'm gonna have a class of MB3 just for formatting purposes. So it's just adding margin for the next set of components, and I'm gonna have a div. This is gonna have a class of form-file. And in here, we're going to have an input, as we always do. We are going to have a type of file. We're going to have a class of form-file-input ID equals custom file. Feel free to name this whatever you want relative to what you are meant to be uploading. It might be a video, it might be an image for an avatar, for example, or a thumbnail, whatever it is. I'm gonna add a label just to describe what this is, and this is basically what you would actually be clicking per se. And we're gonna put a class of form dash file dash label for equals custom file. So make sure it matches this ID, and we are now inside of here going to put a span, and this is going to have a class of form dash file dash text choose file, and then we are going to have a span which is going to be the button text class dash form dash file dash button, and this is going to be browse. Save that, reload, and there we go. If I click anywhere on it, like the browse or just there, this pops up, allows me to select a file. Again, that's something you would want to link with JavaScript and something like PHP, and then when you submit the form to be able to upload it. But again, feel free to have a look at that. This is just a very simple video of how to create the front end. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.